Hi, I'm Sandy Schroeck. With today's product introduction, I want to introduce you to the FloraLife QuickMix handheld dosing system. You know how cumbersome a dosing system can be to put in your store on your wall, and then when you go to events and stuff, you can't bring it with you. This is the QuickMix, and it hooks up to a hose here. The water comes in. You put the solution into the dispenser, and then on the nozzle, depending on the type of solution that you have, you would choose the setting here to get an accurate dosing amount. So you're going to easily be able to fill your vases at any workstation, anywhere you are, whether you're a large business or a small business. This system is designed to accurately dispense any floral solution so that you can create longer lasting designs for your customers. So bring one in today to enhance your fabulous florals.